Hello. In this video, I will show you how you can accept the collaboration request which is sent from developer. Okay. After sending a collaboration request from the developer, you will receive a notification mail from Shopify like this. You can see. And if I open, it's showing second Dave is requesting collaborator account to access online store. So view request. You can click here or you can simply log into your website and click here settings, user and permission, and here you can see requesting access to your store. So just click here and you can see you can assign that which part of permission they need, and from here accept request. That's it.